Hey friends, today we're making a simple curry noodle bowl. It's warm, cozy, and comes together fast when you need something comforting in a hurry. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need rice noodles, coconut milk, vegetable broth, curry powder, cremini mushrooms, red bell pepper, spinach, garlic, ginger, olive oil, salt, and black pepper. That's it. Simple ingredients. Heat olive oil in the pan, then add garlic and ginger and let them warm gently. This is where the flavor begins. Add mushrooms, bell pepper, and curry powder. Give everything a moment to bloom and let those spices wake up. Pour in the broth and coconut milk, then let it simmer until creamy and smooth. This is what brings everything together. Add the noodles and spinach and cook until tender. Now it really starts to look like dinner coming together. Creamy, cozy, and full of flavor, this simple curry noodle bowl is perfect for busy nights. You'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. See you next time.